What's up, my boys? Oh, what the hell? So let's go. Oh, what the? Oh, so many dropped frames. What the hell? What? One second, very bad stream quality for some reason. Oh, excellent connection. Yeah, a lot of frame drops. 1 second. What's up, bro? Welcome back to another stream. Thank you, bro. What's up? I need to re-upload. What the hell? Yeah, I see that, bro. 1 second. What the hell? No. A lot of dropped frames. What the hell? Because of internet connection, probably, or something like so. Looks like all right. Okay, I reboot my PC, and I'll be back. Okay, so now looks like work, finally. I hope. No, no. What the hell? Again, dropped frames a lot. Maybe because you're streaming in multiple apps. No, I'm streaming. I think you can tell. You could tell about multiple platforms, but not even if I stream on the one stream. I don't know. Maybe there is a problem with my internet. Let's check. I don't know what the hell is that. Like speed, maybe some problems with OBS. I don't know. Because I checked the speed and all right, and ping also good. Okay, I think it's stabilized. I hope. Let's try to start another one. Stream. No. Like, everything works great. Like YouTube. Chopsticks and drawer on the line, Professor Pencil Top. Thank you. Thank you. Hope you ate a couple of chopsticks today. Hope your chopstick generator has already did that, made that, and you're not hungry. So, okay, I hope it's stabilized. Maybe some drop frames will be, but I don't know, maybe this is OBS problem. I don't know. Yes, I may. No, your chopsticks I don't want to eat. Only Dustin's. Okay. Okay, some drops frames we have, but I hope they will be removed in a couple of minutes. Okay, let's try. Let's start anyway. So, okay, looks like work. Nice. Let's go. So, my boys, we only weekends I decided to rework a little bit my survivor. Okay, not rework. First, I separated my crate system because I didn't like. Because we need to have access from different systems like inventory system and this and shop system, so we can open crates in these two places. And I decided to make it like one more system, just open crate system, and it allows us to control it from one place. So let's go. But I need to change a little bit things here. So I made like we can have couple of abilities, but this is like for the future development, I think. Like for example, you can get ability which will have, for example, level 2 in the beginning, or even level 3. So instead of having multi-jump level 1, for example, you can have a multi-jump level 3, like so. And also I separated all abilities by different configs, and now this is what I told about, by the way, guys. Now we have different classes of abilities. Fight, global, this is like for everyone, will be probably. Height, there is invisibility. Jump, this is jump power, charging jump, passive jump power, something like so. Speed, sprints, dashes, and so on. Strong, this is armors, regeneration, second life, and so on. So what's the feature of all of that, maybe you can ask. The feature of all of that, now let's go to our crates config and I'll show you what we have. Let's go. Survivor crates. For example, as you see, we have, as I told before, like Definitely, I think the main parameter of for picking the certain survivor will be this. I think move speed anyway. Like if you slow, you probably die faster even with if you have more HP. But what's the difference now? Now we have ability categories in our config, and when we open Ninja Crate, we can only get these abilities. So Ninja can get the global, for example, global. This is like common abilities for everyone, like XP gain, reduce cooldown, level boost, X-ray. The last round, this is like sprint. And so Ninja, for example, can't get any abilities like regeneration, like armor or something like so. Now, like before, we could get that. So he can get abilities only from these categories. Tank, for example, have a global and strong. Tank, for example, can get abilities vice versa, like armor, regeneration, Jimbro, and second life, which allows you to live longer, like so. Because I think if I wouldn't do that, a lot of players maybe just buy crates, like for what you need to buy crate, tank for example. If you have Ninja who faster, and probably you in a lot of cases probably can get like like also not bad HP. Still doing inventory? No, already create system, but it's connected with inventory, so it really allows us to make for different crates different abilities classes, so we can mix them together, and it allows us to finally to easy control that, because really very hard to find something. Now we have ability loader, which really we can just call this function which load all these categories and put inside and return like a table all these abilities in one table. But for example, to easy control that, for example, if we decided to add a new jump ability, we just go to jump, and here is just like abilities for jump: charging jump, multi jump, jump power. That's all. That's very useful and easy to control in the future, like so. Alright, that's good. What are you gonna finish though now? I wanna finish create system, because here's I remade that like for a couple abilities, but like default. Oh, also guys, some crates, for example, these default like Ninja and Tank probably don't have opportunity to get couple of abilities or couple of levels abilities, but we can have here in any new crates, maybe I don't know, ghost crate will create, or I don't know, scientist create some. This is just for example, and we easy can put in the future like this guy, for example, can get from 1 to 3 abilities, or maybe not at all, I don't know, or maybe some crates have higher chances to get abilities, like so. So we'll see, guys. Also current chance, ability chance 100 divide by so okay, what's the problem I faced during all these things? We the problem, like if we have couple abilities, if we have available abilities, for example, we have legendary one, and maybe we have legendary one which already maxed for full. We need to reroll our rarity again, because now it's just skipped, and just do nothing with that. This is what I did yesterday. So, by the way, I want to check one thing. If it's work right or not. Probably yeah. So what's the trick I found yesterday? We need to check that. Let's create a script. For example, we have an array. Oh, dictionary. Dictionary like so. So we don't have keys. So dic print dic okay, no, next dictionary. Okay, so if not, I explain what it does. Okay, nil. This is the way how we can check the tables if they're empty or not, by the way. Not tables, dictionaries. Because we don't have indexes here, and we can do like so, because zero, because it returns 0, because the keys, this is these first values. So we can check the tables is empty like so. And also I want to last key 2. Key 2, it should gives this probably, or not, wait. Last key. Key 3. Okay, for value in dict2 print next value. Okay, if we do without that, let's check like so. Okay, it returns a table. What if we do like so? Can we do? Okay, we can't. Okay, I've got it. So let's go. I'm not sure about this, by the way. Random next number. Hi, hello. What about this? Like 100% we have chances. But if we change that 0.25 like by default, let's open that. Wait, really some problems with this thing. Okay, let's make it not like so. RNG, and I want to print RNG and current chance like so, because I want to see the chances for that. Okay, let's make it for one ability first, because really hard to understand. Okay, RNG current, if RNG more or equal to current chance, then we do that. But current chance is 1. What if we have like 0.25 like by default? Maybe less or equals. Oh wait, less or equals current chance. Okay, yeah, that's it. So you have if you, okay, that's work. Okay, if we put chances to like 50%, it should be each second. Yeah, like so. But if we put 100%, it should be each. Yeah, okay, great. Because yesterday I faced some problems with when we have less than when we have very small chances. That was a little problem. Okay, but abilities count, for example, 4, and let's not divide by 100 that. So we always yeah, we have equal chances like this. I'll be right back to watch a tutorial from a game if you don't mind. Okay, bro. Okay. So let's check our inventory. Abilities. Level 4, reduce cooldown. Someone subscribed. Great, bro, great. What? Okay, that's right. That's right. Get max level. Okay, let's do different things. For example, let's go in our abilities and let's go reduce cooldown. This is global ability, I think, right? Yeah, reduce cooldown. Let's make this ability have only one level, and let's clear now our data, and now let's go buy some crates, open some crates, and I wanna check inventory, survivors, abilities, level 1. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem with that. That's the problem with that. We need to re-roll our abilities. If we have if we don't have this or if we max already one of them, or we maybe don't have this rarity, because now we just skip that. So for that we need to use this thing again. Ability rarity, rarity picker, randomize, config default ability chances, rarities config, ability rarities. So rarity picker. Maybe, okay, let's maybe create yeah, let's go. Let's make here as a function also, local function pick rarity. I just can return that like so. Yeah, why not? Pick rarity first. Pick rarity. Okay, no, local ability rarity, yeah, local ability rarity equals to peak rarity. So we return, for example, legendary one. If ability rarity filter abilities. Okay, if filtered abilities more than 0, else we again do ability rarity, peak rarity. Wait. No. Maybe we don't need to do like so. Yeah, let's make repeat until, I think, like we did before. Repeat until local peaked until peaked. True. Just wait. Okay, nil maybe. Peaked. Nil until peaked. Like so, yeah, that's better. Just here, peaks equals to true. And maybe we don't need to do anything of that. So now it should work always like so. Let's go, let's check that. Yeah, great. Because it can't pick the rarity of that. So what I did, just if we don't have picked ability, so we go here, if available ability is more than 0, then what are filter abilities, by the way? Rint. Oh no, table insert, yeah, works with indexes, so all right, yeah, that's work. Upgrade existing ability, add new ability at level 1. Pick true, reduce chances for 100. So looks like should work, but we need, so of course, ability rarity to remove that here. And I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm back. So let's anyway check that. Print. Okay, anyway, let's we need to skip that if after some attempts, or because maybe maybe one day it will broke old system local to ons equals to 0. Picked or iterations equal to, I don't know, like 15. And here's iterations plus equal 1, because maybe really we face the problem when we don't have enough abilities, or maybe they all will be maxed. So yeah, we can face this problem. Let's check if this works. Ability rarity equals legendary again. So after 15 it should stop. So I don't need the chances here. Oh yeah, I need to print iterations. Okay, like so. This is of course the maximum of that. Usually we don't, it won't be like so. Let's check how many iterations we'll have anyway. Okay, let's see. So 1, so usually we don't have these problems. Okay, but for example, if we change our config a little bit. Let's go now create config and let's leave only global here. It will be, maybe there's more options will be here. So what about this guy? I want to check. Survivors, this is the last one. Abilities, 2 abilities. Level 3 and level 1 probably, yeah, great. Looks like all work. Nice. Okay, great. Finally, I think we finish this part. Let's move back all the chances here, and oh yeah, here course. Or 1 and default mobility drop chance. So this I think we don't need. Let's check the whole code here. Okay, looks like all right. Let's check if we don't have abilities. Yeah, nice. Okay, great. What's that, by the way? Local script 52. Okay. So, okay. We need to go to price calculator also. We need to change a little bit that. Oh, wait. I need one thing. Let's sort by ability. Okay. And here, what about here? Yeah, we need to go to viewer first and change some properties there. Go to inventory system, presentation, viewer controller. Why no live the last 2 days ago? Because I had weekends, bro. Had weekends. Okay, so let's see where's okay. If ability, this is not about this. If ability, item ability, yes, abilities. If abilities, oh, I already did that in our survivor tab, I think. Oh yeah, like this. Let's just copy that and put it here. ability dot name. Ability rarity. Let's make it like so. It's better, really. UI gradient and ability rarity we put here, like this. Okay, let's check. Oh, should be right. So this is viewer. Well, this is only on in our viewer, right? Or wait, no. Oh yeah, it's a viewer. We need to check ability only, guys. Oh yeah, ability rarity. We don't need that at all, by the way, because we have ability rarity inside our ability. Let's check ability. Okay. Oh yeah, and one very important thing, we need to change our abilities config. Abilities config now looks like so. Everywhere where we need to upload all abilities, and we need to call this module ability loader. Let's place them together and don't worry just about that. Okay, let's try. Ability, let's go. Nice. Okay, great. My boys. Also, I made a sort by using amount of abilities. So like the more abilities you have, the higher your survivor will be, like so. So guys with four abilities will be higher than guys with 4 common abilities will be higher than guys with 3 legendary, for example, abilities. Okay, we don't have repeating abilities, right? Right, but one more thing, maybe. Oh yeah, let's finish with set up our this info and this stuff. Survivor info, and here's we also need to have the same thing with abilities, the same ability. Oh, wait, survivor info. Oh wait, yeah, I thought it's survivor info already. Abilities, and let's go here. Let's just put it here, like so. And let's replace this ability name. Ability name. Ability rarity we can delete. Ability rarity, like so. And of course we need to change ability this abilities config. Okay, let's try. Oh yeah, my bad. Ability name, I forget to put here. Ability name. Ability. Nice, we have 4 abilities for this guy. Let's check. Example, with 1 ability, only 1. Would you say being a full-time developer hard, and do you think that development is work? For me, that's also, of course, this is work, bro, because I spent like a lot of time on that, and it's a huge part of my life. Being full-time developer hard. Sometimes, of course, hard anyway, but this is like in a lot of things in life. Like if you wanna be a YouTuber, you need to edit videos. If you want to be a programmer, you need to program. So anyway, of course, sometimes it's hard and it takes a lot of time. But I don't feel like so. Yeah, of course I have like difficult moments, of course, but anyway, I overcome that and continue working, and I just enjoy. Really, I love what I do and I want to continue doing that. So of course sometimes I stuck for some tasks but that's okay. Also, let's put here as a level. Hello Profan, hello Eat Me Mario, hello. Level, like so. Ability level. Why are you doing Roblox development, and why Roblox and not other platforms? Because this is my first programming experience, at all development. I never programmed before Roblox, and I've played Roblox sometimes and decided why not to just make the games where I like to play games from time to time. So why not to do it here? Because, and also of course guys, here is definitely easier to promote your game, to get audience, if you compare, for example, with Steam. Of course, because in Steam you need to create your page in Steam. You need for your game, you need $100 to pay, and it's absolutely not guaranteed that you have a players or something. Of course, my future aims, this is Steam, but not soon. Like I create a lot of games. I want to create a lot of games here, and when I became a professional here, I think it won't be too hard to make games on Unity or maybe some other engines. I don't know, for Steam. Because yeah, of course, I have not a dream. This is an aim for me. Anyway, so like OP, I can use here also. Yeah, it's different. For example, in C#, of course, than Roblox. But anyway, like structure for your game, like how to spend your time, what you need to focus, how to organize your scripts. Anyway, this will be with mine, and it helps me in the future anyway. And definitely to start make games in Steam, I definitely should have some audience. It will be better, and of course it's better if I have money, because like make Blender models for Roblox, this is definitely easier than making like models. Of course, all depends on my needs, but sometimes I definitely need some money to maybe hire someone, to maybe some designers, maybe some modelers. Because if I'll be a full stack developer in Unity, maybe it will be harder, really, because there's biggest competition with big studios, and so. But anyway, one day I'll be here, guys. I'll be here. Do you see yourself doing the same in the next 10 years, and do you think you would change careers? In next 10 years? Yes, bro. Yes, I love that. Why not to do that? I love Roblox, and it's interesting for me. I see that, but I don't know if it'll be real, because any circumstances can happen. I don't know how it'll be, but yeah, why not? Like I wanna create in Roblox a lot of cool games, and really I have some ideas for my future projects. And yes, of course, I like this. I like here's a audience, here's a how, like, you don't need to have money, for example, and I like that it's easier to me to be in touch by using Roblox. Like to start career, this is great place, I think. So that's it. So that's why Roblox, because here's I see Roblox like YouTube. You just need to work. You just need to work a lot. And if your players, like viewers on YouTube, engage of your content, they just Roblox like promote your game even for free. And like even if you pay, it's not guaranteed that you get the players. Absolutely, this is true. And so that's why just I don't mind. I like to work a lot. I like to work hard, but really I want to see results as you also. We all want to see results. And like in Steam, really hard competition, because if you don't have like YouTube channel, if you don't have money to promote, it'll be harder to start. But if I have and also if I wouldn't have experience, so probably really it will be much harder for me than create, because Roblox game I can create alone, like as you see. So everything I can do here, and because requirements is lower compared to, for example, Steam, I can't. So not a lot of players play in Steam. If I make a game like Roblox and it looks like Roblox, because like a lot of players will think like this is some low quality product. So definitely here's need more efforts, and I'm not sure, but I think C# is harder than definitely harder, I think, than Lua. So Lua, to start understanding programming and to start how it works, because I never before have programmed, and I didn't even know like how scripts works, like they go from top to down, like by default. I didn't know about that. I thought like I can't even imagine how it works, and I can't even imagine before that like how you can like make a code and it somehow exists later like a game. What the hell, how it works? And for start, this is great anyway, so that's why. How to create games tips, please. All depends, bro, of your experience. Have you ever made any games, or maybe you have some experience or not? I don't know, bro. All depends on your experience, or maybe you don't have experience. Your main problem is money. If you make a reputation and you have good qualities, you can attract investors and build bigger games. Yes, but I'm not sure about money, bro. Like the main my aim is to build the strong brand. This is the main my aim, and money will be like they comes together like with that. Like reputation, yeah, you're right. Reputation, this is more important. Like for example, as you said, it will be easier to find investors if like you show investors like I have some games, I have a YouTube channel, I have audience who watched me. And yeah, of course, like money, this is not the main reason. Like reputation, much important in my opinion, I think. Of course, so you're right. So because I even like try. I like challenges, like because if I'm making the games without money, really this series, this is also because I want to, if it's possible, to make the game like without any money, like only earned from the game. For example, I can reinvest. I wanna that maybe it will be motivation for some of you guys to start, because some of you think maybe like create a games. To create a games I need like a lot of money to promotions. Guys, I started 3 months probably ago. I have like less than 200 subscribers. Like I just start live streams, and we are in this point now. So I don't know if it will be successful, all of that what I do now, or not. Anyway, this is experience, this is my life experience, and I'm very happy that I'm here. And if it will be this game will be successful, or maybe not this, maybe in future. Okay, let's tell about this. If this game will be successful, so it really, I hope it will be for a lot of you motivation, because you don't need the money, you just need to some dedication and love what you do, and you don't need the money, you just need wishes and just time. So hard work. So if it's possible, I hope it helps some of you, because a lot of guys have doubts. I also had doubts before, so that's okay, guys. The competition is huge and you are very small. How do you think you can become a recognizable brand company? Competition in Roblox? Yeah, bro. Competition also big in Roblox. I agree with you, but you don't see the main like feature here. Like a lot of games, they not high quality on Roblox. This is true, and that's okay. Yeah, people also learn, and not a lot of not every their projects are good. That's okay. And also some big games are created to grab money, as you see. I think there's a lot of games like so, but like why, for example, how I can I think became a recognizable brand, because I wanna create not just cash grab games, and I wanna create a games which really fun, like for me, which I really like. So I wanna make a game like in a couple of years I join these games, and I really have fun always, like when I join, like so this is my main aims. And of course YouTube, probably TikTok, and just we keep growing still, because this like 2 months ago I have less than 200 subscribers, and yeah, like so YouTube, I rely on YouTube a lot of like I tried like I'll make videos, because I have some skills in video editing, and like this hope it helps me, like not hope, okay, I'll do my best to make all that true, because hope that's funny, just need to work. Of course, all depends on me. This is my main point about life. Like if for example my videos on YouTube are really don't get enough views, I don't think like, oh, YouTube is bad because it doesn't give me views. No, I don't think like so. This is my bad. For maybe I made a bad thumbnail, maybe I make a bad hook at the beginning of the video, I don't know, a lot of things, but I always think like this is my fault if something bad in my life. So that's it. Okay, so what about this ability? Yes, ability, yes. So you tell like you're very small, bro. The reason like why I say like so, some big company and brands also started with something, definitely. So why it can be start big career or big brand? Why not, bro? I'll do my best to make it true. If okay, if abilities. Okay, no, let's copy that from here. Of course, I don't know how it will be in reality, because it's always a lot of things like unpredictable. Maybe tomorrow I blow up. I don't know. Maybe like I need 10 more years to make to get like 5,000 subscribers, or I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's I can't predict that. But of course, I always try to develop my skills to make my dreams come true, because the main thing, like the main fear of my life, this is just waste my life and waste all my ideas and just live like a lot of people live. Like you wait your wages, you wait your salary, spend that, and you don't have a lot of free time, and so just I try to get out of this circle, and circumstances around me, they're not good for now, but it helps me growing. So 800 is good for a dev, but your goals is not you need goals, but for your goals is not you need way more promotion and way more views, at least than people you see videos and play your games. Bro, for you, you look at that on different angle, I think. Like I have one video, bro, which reached 33k views. This is on my first YouTube channel, not about Roblox. Like, and I did it without any promotion, bro. I reached like more than 33,000 views. One video I reached, and I did it absolutely for free, and it gives me opportunity to think like so, because I already know what I can do, and so yeah, just I need some time. Like for you, maybe you think like 800 good, but bro, 800, this is amazing. You can't even imagine all these people like in real life, if they how much is it, bro. This is not just a number, and probably if I wanna just earn subscribers, maybe I didn't ban a lot of haters who tell me some bad things, and maybe it promotes more my videos faster, because they're always swearing, because they're always hating in comments or something like so. But this is not my point. Like I don't care about like subscribers, views. Like if it'll be, that's great. If it's not, That's okay also, bro. I just it means if it's not true, it means that I need to work harder. This is what only it needs. It means. So and so always will be always will be circumstances like, oh, you need more of this, oh, you need more of this, bro. I just started doing that and I continued growing, and I completely satisfied with that, like what I do, and that's cool. Like maybe you wanna talk me about like I need to buy promotion, like advertising or something like so, but no, this is not the way. If I do like so, this is not this is for me not I wanna reach this, bro. I wanna reach this on my, like, these 100 subscribers, bro. I really feel like this is results of my work. Hi bro, how are you? Hello bro, welcome. I'm great, thank you. So all these subscribers, this is like a result of my work. I feel that. And when you, for example, buy advertisement, like, that's also okay, but I think it doesn't feel like so. And as I told, bro, I wanna try, if it's possible, without any money, to reach some aims, to be successful in game development. That's why I do all of that. Because a lot of guys tell me, oh, I don't know how to start, I don't know, I don't have a powerful computer, I don't have a camera, I have a bad voice, I can't stream, or a lot of always will be circumstances, bro. But the main thing, I just started, bro. I've already started, and like imagine how a lot of people which tell me about that, about that they have doubts to start, they have a lot of circumstances. I tell them, oh guys, this is easy. I just bought advertisement and I have 1 million subscribers. Like, so okay, maybe 1 million. Just like, I tell the people like, oh guys, this is easy. You just need to pay $1,000 and you get a lot of subscribers. So really, I wanna make this way to motivate a lot of you. So not the main aim to just earn money, to just, I don't know, get views, subscribers. No, absolutely not. I wanna build a good community around me and help some of you, motivate on my example, if it'll be possible, if I'll be successful, because already it motivates some of you, and this is the purposes of this channel and of that. So that's it. I have like 2 for the game I work on. Is it good to have more? You have a lot of model scripts. Oh, about model scripts, bro, you can place it a lot. Like this is OP. Why I do like so? Because it's very good to separate all your or your code. For example, if I have problems with sound, I go to sound manager, it looks like so. It's easy to find something here, easy, very easy. So if it's easy for debugging, it's easy to control. If I have animations problems, I go here. So it allows you to easy control different stuff. And so my local script looks like so. That's it. just call some controllers and so on. Yeah, of course, it's better. You definitely need to use a lot of modules. That's not a mistake. And like you need to separate your code, to divide your code. It will be better really, because I'll show you what's the reason why I decided to do like so. This is my lobby controller local script before I'm making all of that thing. Imagine I have problems with my animations, for example, for my buttons in the shop. How to find something here? I think very difficult. And then you fix that problem and you need to find where your sounds, for example. And you definitely need to spend some time, and I'm really tired of that. Here I have one function called GUI, which takes 600 lines. What the hell? 600 lines, one functions, as you see. What the hell? This is really like bad approach, and that's why I decided like so. From day 34, I think. Welcome back. Hello. Have you talked to investors and show them your vision so you can grow faster with money? Bro, I told you, like I want to try, if it's possible, to make to go through this way only with my power, like so. So only use things which all of you can use. If it's not possible, of course, after that I just try, and this is not like a guarantee that I do that, but I'll do my best to make it true. Like find investors. I don't need investors for now, but of course, if this game like really don't reach any results, definitely I'll find that. I'll try to find investors and show my projects, or this project. But imagine if I can avoid this and all be great. Why not? It can be. Why not? Can be. So you think about only you think about like I need to grow faster or something like so. Bro, I just do what I love. You thinking a lot of recognition, about influence, about like all will come. This is my point. All will come together if you do what you love. All you will have everything: money, influence, and all will be yours. This is my point. If you work hard and love what you do. So if you think I need like 1 million subscribers right now, but bro, who guarantee that if I would have 1 million subscribers right now, for example, just for example, who guarantee that I can handle all of that? Like imagine this is like you definitely need to do a lot of actions to hold all these people, right? Right, because they unsubscribe if you, for example, don't ready for such a big audience, like so. So my point is just I do what I can, and like as maximum as possible I do, and just all going great, and that's it. Because I know what you're talking, like you're talking about like a lot of people think like a lot of people think like subscribers, this is subscribers, this is just a number, or like 800 subscribers for you, for example, you tell like this is not too much, like this is good, but like for my aims that's not enough, bro. That's a lot of people, you can't even imagine. I never reached this, I never reached 800 subscribers, bro. Never. I had like 7 YouTube channels. I had 3 years spent on editing YouTube videos on my different YouTube channels. So I'm making videos like with a lot of editing. I grow in my skills, but now, but I never reached like so. Even a video which had 33,000 views, here's on the channel only like 250 subscribers or something like so, I don't know, like really. So for me this is like subscribers, this is not just a number, maybe like you think. This is the people who interested into about what I do. And I don't think like, oh, like 10 subscribers, that's not a lot for today, bro. That's a lot. Like 10 people decided to, oh, maybe subscribe to this guy. Yeah, of course, like 80% probably never watched me again or something like so. That's okay. That's like internet works. That's how YouTube works, and that's okay. But anyway, just I continue working and do everything depends on what depends on me. Hi bro, how are you today? Me? Great bro, great, thank you. Probably you already asked, or maybe not you. Thank you. Have you lost money while doing this? No, 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 I don't lost money, because I don't use for what I lose money, like lost money. I don't spend money on that, bro. You don't hear me, bro. You don't hear me what I'm talking about already like half an hour. I try to make this game without any money, bro. Without any money. How I can lose money if I'm not spending money on that? So, okay. Hello Profan, I hope you remember me. It's already day 70, way past the limit. I came by to check up. Hope you're doing well and the game going forward. I'm looking forward to play when it's fully fixed up. Yeah, remember you. Long time no see, by the way. Yeah, thank you. All great, bro. All great. A lot of changes I needed to make. Rework like the whole game, and now I'm making still a lobby. The main game is not started, but everything goes great, and thank you bro. Okay, let's go. We need to calculate the prices. Ability price. Awesome to hear. Yeah, maybe plus like so, just additional. Yeah, let's see if it's work or not. Ability, and we need to, okay, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, what the hell I'm doing? Ability rarity we don't need, like so maybe even. But we have a multiplier when we have several abilities, like so. Okay, like 4 abilities. First, we need multiplier by amount of abilities and level of abilities also. very important. And rarity of abilities. Price calculator, get ability price, ability multipliers, ability rarity. So you're doing this to motivate other and reach this goal, but not using money. Yes, it's possible to be very successful, but the bigger the project, the more time needed, more skills. Yes, bro. Yes, you're absolutely right. Of course. The main thing about this, I'm during this stream series, like I spent 1.5 years for my first project. This is my second project, and in this like 2 or 3 months, bro, I have a huge boost in my skills, and all this like going great. I mean, the more time needed, more skills. So my skills also growing with increasing the size of this project. So all works great with that. Like together, it all works great. So ability rarity. What the hell is that? We don't need that. Yeah, at all, I think. What did your first game do? This is tower defense game. You can open. You can. I'll share a video about that. This is, by the way, the video when I started to how I started the whole career in Roblox. It's re-uploaded from different channel. And I'm total noob here, and I don't understand how to work, how to do anything, so I just follow the tutorials in here and so on. So like that's it. What if you're making a big game and you're very skilled, but their game takes years to make, so then it wouldn't matter how skilled you are? No bro. I learned on my mistakes. My first game I spent 1.5 years, and the problem, like, I completely burnt out, and that game is not ready. Like, I abandoned that project. Like after 1.5 years, there's like 2 years more to 2 years more to develop that game. And guys, like, learn on my mistakes, please. If you work alone, exactly, this is a very important thing that I say. Don't make your projects too big. This is very important. You burnt out. How this is independent, how you love your game, or this is your project, dream project, or you completely burn out one day. Guys, I've been motivated about my first game 1 year. I wake up every morning after dreaming about coding and go code. 1 month I was very motivated, but after 1 year it's over. 1 year of super motivation, and after 1 year it I start to lose that. Like, you realize there's a lot of work ahead, and it's absolutely not good. I stopped belief in that project. This is the main thing. Like, this is very important also, I think. So really, don't guys make too big games. Like, this is great. This is not my thoughts only. This is a lot of developers tell about that, and I just skip that. Like, oh, this is not about me. This is about other developers. This is not. I want to make a not too big game, and so on. This is always like so, guys. This is always like so. All of us think like so. But then you realize you stuck like for a very long time. That's great if you because really the problem of that, you when you focus on one project, you just not develop the whole skills in all directions. For example, if you make tower defense games for 1.5 years like me, bro, if you want to make the next time shooter FPS, you won't know how to do that, because in tower defense you don't try different things. Probably you can, yeah, but if you, for example, make obby like in 2 months, after that make, I don't know, tycoon in 3 months, or maybe maximum, that's great, this is half of year. This is great for the first projects. After that you try, I don't know, like strategy games or any, then you try maybe a simple shooter try to make, and bro, when you, after all of that experience in different directions, you start to make your game, bro, you blow up this world probably. Of course, idea is very important, but if you try different directions, this is not about only Roblox, guys, this is not only about Roblox. If you think I always wanted to be a Roblox developer, no, my brothers, of course no, guys. I tried so many things in my life, and it took a lot of time to to be here right now. Like I tried to make music, I tried to make Blender, not models for games, like for videos. I tried to make models. I had 3 years spent in video editing for YouTube. I made a lot of YouTube channels, and like some other additional skills like painting I tried, guys, and now I'm Roblox developer. This is not only about Roblox. If you try a lot of things, I thought one day, guys, for a very long time ago, I thought, oh, maybe because I made like my when I tried to make music, this is like all was useless. This is nothing, like just I don't use it anymore. I spent like couple of years of that. But guys, just remember one very important thing. All things you do in your life, one day, if you try a lot, one day they combine in something really cool, and all your knowledges will be helpful to you. Anyway, guys, so now I know how to, for the first time, this is very important, I bought a good microphone for me. I bought good devices because of that time, and also I know how to work with a sound. I know how to edit the sound, like, of course, not like a professional, but it's helpful when I make videos on YouTube, for example, when I make a game in Roblox. So just, guys, you need to try. And the same thing about Roblox development. You try different type of games, guys. As many projects you make, simple small projects, as faster you grow. I think this is my opinion, because, guys, big tasks, this is very scary for our brain. This is true. As you know, when you have, I don't know, a lot of homework, you don't want to do that. You definitely don't, because there is a lot. But if your task is not like a game for 5 years development, like I made this challenge, of course I couldn't do that. I lose that challenge, but also you remember how we started this challenge, like game in 30 days. I worked without any weekends, every day, every streaming, and I tried to make it very fast. So really, because 30 days only, what the hell, I need to work a lot, and I don't have any doubts, I don't have like just work. And so really, don't make others mistakes. Like, make a simple projects first. This is my opinion. So what's up, bro? Guess what happened at my date yesterday? I don't know, bro. What happened? I'm learning how to animate. Great, bro. How is the game going? Great. All perfect. When do you think you will get the silver play button? Play button? What's that? Like silver play button? Like in game? Or I don't know what's that. Or oh, or you about YouTube? Or I don't understand. Or 1K subs? Cause you're getting close. Silver button, if I'm not wrong, on 1,000 subscribers or 10,000. No, 1K subs. Well, I'm not sure, bro. Probably 10,000. Maybe. I'm very interested. 1,100, bro. Yeah, like 1,000. That's really they probably tired of sending a lot of play buttons for people. Will you use your music in your games? And also, I'm currently using your lives as a podcast and making my own. You're very motivational. Have you thought about becoming a motivational speaker? Thank you, bro. I'm very happy to hear that. Will you use your music? No, bro. I made it like 7 years ago or 6. I don't use that music. This is just I lost a lot of that. Motivational speaker, bro. Like just motivational speaker, probably not. But I tell all of that, like try to motivate all of you, because guys, because I was like you, like I had my way like started maybe 3 years ago when I started to really work a lot, like make YouTube videos, and I don't know, I know guys, I know how it feels, just like all my motivational speeches, just because I feel I know guys how it feels when like you have no one with who you can discuss about these things. Like my friends supports me always, but no one of them are YouTubers, no one of them are game developers. They support me, but anyway, this probably you know about this, this is not the same when you tell with a guy who inside of this, inside your hobby, inside your work, and to tell with guys who doesn't know about this. So I know how it feels when you just staying alone and working alone a lot, and no one can support you. Now, like no one can support you like properly. Like maybe give you some tips, maybe tell you about some tricks, how to avoid some mistakes. That's why I do like so, guys, because I really want to help you, because yeah, I know how it feels, and if it helps some of you to start, guys, I'll be very happy. I already heard like some guys tell me like they start as coding because of me. This is great. I'm very proud of you guys. I'm very proud of all of you who really create something, because I know this is hard, and at the same time this some of you guys definitely will change the world, and this is cool, because like you could in a lot of you are teenagers, a lot of you teenagers, and I started a lot of things like very late, like and you in your teens start trying a lot of things. Guys, I'm very proud of you, really. I'm very proud, because you already start to make first steps, instead of you can just right now walking on the streets and I don't know, sluggering around like the whole time, or play computer games the whole time. But you making your games, what the hell, guys? That's cool. That's cool. I'm really proud of you, and that's why I want to motivate you more, because a lot of us, and I also had a lot of moments when I think maybe, oh, maybe I don't need to make that, maybe this is not for mine. And so that's okay, guys, that's okay. You just need to move and hope. If you face the same problems, and you definitely face that, because this is like everyone, almost everyone face a lot of difficulties on your ways. I hope in very hard times it helps you to continue working on your games, and motivates you not to give up. That's why I do like so. So that's it. The last project got 150 visits, and I worked on it a lot, and my subs and followers and viewers are low. Bro, that's okay, that's okay. I like everyone, like a lot of like 99% starts with that, bro. No one guarantee that like if you spend on your game a lot of time, or maybe not a lot of time, you have a lot of views, a lot of players. All depends, bro, on how you promote your projects, and how interesting your project. Anyway, like, people skip a lot of things. It means only, bro, you need to or just listen to your players who play your game, like what they don't like, what they maybe why they don't play your game for a very long time, or something like so. You need to listen that, and maybe try to analyze why, or because usually how I think when I join some game, I think like, why, for example, I spent in this game like 3 hours. Why I spent 3 hours in any game, like a player? Why? So I play some game, and why is it so? Why? What I feel, and what's interesting in this game. And you need to remember, and maybe use this knowledge in your projects. And also, if it's possible, this is pretty hard usually, but you need to try that. If it's possible, you need to see on your game like you're a new player who just joined your game for the first time, and if it'll be for you interesting to play that or not. But also be careful with that. Maybe you think not. This is this is okay, bro. You don't need to rely completely on only on your opinion, because when you work on your games, you see all problems of that usually. This is like, for me, works like, and this is a lot of developers who work on their projects for a very long time. They face with hating their own games. This is like, probably you know Stardew Valley game. The guy who created that, he spent 3 years in development. Yeah, he's super successful now, and he earned a lot of money. But he tell about this game that he hates this game. He really hate to see this game every day, because he tired of that. So you don't need to rely completely on your opinion when you join the game, but definitely you need to listen what people say about your game, if it's possible, of course. So, but anyway, bro, anyway, you just need to continue trying. If you really want to make a game, make games and grow your skills, and as I told, bro, if my opinion, if the game is not successful, this is the fault of owners, maybe not developer, owners. So probably, or you didn't promote your game completely, maybe don't, I don't know, make a shorts of that, make YouTube videos, a lot of that, try to make them interesting. Or maybe you just didn't make that interesting. This is not tell about you like you're a bad developer, bro, no. This is usually tell about you like you need more skills for that. So you don't need, oh, I never make a good game, bro. This is just skill issue, and it means you need to focus on your weak points and grow as in this and grow your skills and create a masterpiece after that, bro. Of course, maybe next time you don't create masterpiece, maybe 10 games you won't make successful. That's okay, bro. This is lifelong. So just continue doing, and anyway, sometimes it'll be harder anyway, sometimes it'll be more difficult. That's okay, that's always will be like so. If you think I don't have any problems, guys, if you don't have any doubts sometimes, you're absolutely wrong. But I know how to cope with all of that, because I've already tried a lot of years all of that. Okay, not only development on YouTube, and so you just need to upgrade yourself a little bit, and then you know how to cope with all of that doubts, with all of that like struggle, with all of that circumstances, like, oh, my game not successful, what the hell, bro. Like, if this game won't be successful, guys, I have I've got 200 experience boost during this challenge. If this game won't be successful, guys, this is absolutely incredible boost in my skills, absolutely. So of course, probably I'll be sad like a little time, but not too long. Just we need to move next, but definitely just always you can find a better way. Maybe as we today told, find investors, I don't know, pay for advertising, I don't know, anyways, like in very critical situations, why not? So that's it. Okay, I'll be here in 2 minutes, my boys. So I'm back. Animator 2 is the best animator plugin for Roblox Studio. Bro, I can't buy it because in my country, I don't know, for some reason I can't buy for real money things here. I tried, but I can't. What the hell? So I use default. Probably I need to learn animations in Blender, I think. Okay, my boys. So let's go work finally. The speech stream. For get ability price, multiply by ability level, and also for index and multiply by index maybe. Why I do like so? Because like guy who has 3 abilities, he definitely should cost more than guy who has yeah, let's go. Ability price. And also ability rarity. Wait. So what the multiplier? What the hell? Print ability price. What the price? For 4 abilities? What the hell? That's really strangely. Ability level. Okay. Okay, ability calculation. Equals ability calculation. Abilities. What about this? Okay, better. Anyway, not like so. Get ability price. Oh, my bad. My bad. What the hell? Yeah, that's it. That's better. Here is okay, abilities. Levels 0, maybe like so. Plus equals ability level. What? What the hell? Oh, sort by price, by the way, we need to do. Let's create this filter, sort by price, by the way. This is not too hard, I think. Filter controller. Price. Price, let's check. Best to worst, worst to best, I think. Yes. Maybe for the price abbreviate it to or add commas in between, like numbers to understand it well, or what do you mean? Like commas, why we need commas? Like this is the whole numbers. No, such high prices, bro, this is just, for example, this is ultra rare, will be like so. Usually, because I tested like extreme conditions. Usually we don't have such big prices. This is like super rare, will be like so. Okay, filter config. Inventory survivors filter. Yeah, that is easier to read the price instead of oh, you about this like K. Maybe you're right, by the way. Okay, maybe bro, maybe you're right. Okay, I'll check it now. Sort ability, sort price we need. Sort price. Okay. Okay, sort price. I can give you a format module. No, this is not too hard to make. Hi, I'm back. Welcome back. No, this is not hard to do, bro. Thank you. Yeah, I know how to. We can do that. I'm not sure that we need that. This is why I think. Because usually it will be like 64. Okay. So we need here price calculator also. Price calculator. Oh, wait. Survivors filter. Local price calculator. Require replicated storage modules. Characters. Price calculator. With array. So we have only two options here. So price calculator will return the price, right? Right. So we just throw a B Price calculator, calculate survivor and item. Like so. Let's check. And here's we need sort price. Okay, let's try. Probably print item. What is print item? If item ID item ID no type of item ID equal to not equal to string, then return one. And I think that's a problem with our default character. Yeah, right. Looks like work. Why so expensive? Oh, he has ability. Or maybe 0 just. Let's place 0. Yeah, we can sell that. Worst, best. Price 0. Anyway, I don't like that we have the same price for a lot of them, because we don't multiply that by using. Okay, filter ready, that's great. What about quality price? Yes. Quality rarity. We need to multiply by quality also, I think. Like so. No. I somehow multiplied that properly. Let's check. Where am I that? I forget. Characters. Here, I think. Oh, no. Yeah, like this. It's quality, I think. Let's look. What? Okay, what if we just 9? For example, we have very low quality, like so, 0.2 plus 1. That's a lot. That's a lot. So, quality multiplier, okay, maybe just quality. Maybe we don't need a quality price at all. Let's try like so. Or not. Okay, what if we use quality price? Let's check. That's a lot. Okay, what if we do without quality multiplier? Worst, best. Quality multiply by I don't know, maybe like so. I'm finished. It's shooting with recoil, reloading, bullet trails, added recoil animation and reload animation. Good job, bro. Good job. Okay, wait. Health price, move speed price, multiply by ability price. Why multiply, by the way? Multiply probably. Well, that's a lot. Maybe really you need to multiply by quality. Thanks bro, but I thought I watched all the shows, but I missed a lot of things, but I guess the YouTuber will upload more. Okay. Okay, what if we reduce twice that? Quality divided by 2. Price. Okay, that's better. That's bad. That's bad practice doing like so. I understood what's the problem with all of that. Because we only take... yeah, I've got it. What's the problem of that? We only take here... our rarities, and we don't take need to take health plus speed plus quality, maybe like so. If is the game playable? If yes, the release it and call it your title alpha, and look how it does. It's already available, bro, but it's called not alpha, open test. Live light beta, no, beta is not ready. So this is closer what we need, but I would divide all of that by 2. Like so, maybe. Or maybe even 3. I thought beta meant no, this is alpha and beta version of the games. Okay, need to make that maybe like so, something of speed and quality. Let's check that. Could you give me the link? I can't find that. Yes, but you can't play alone. You can't play alone. You need minimum 2 players. There is no AI. By the way, this is green. We've done that. Worst to best. I'm joining, but guys, there is a lot of bugs, and there is old version of the game. So no, bro, Albert. Link will be better, and live lights together. You're right. You typing wrong. So quality I wanna influence more. Okay, maybe quality price instead of quality price will make quality multiplier. Okay, wait. For fun is less secret now. Yeah, much better, I feel. By the way, guys, here's in Discord lore competition. I forget to run the bot, by the way. Nice. And you can win 500 Robux if you want here. So second. Hello bro, welcome. Hello. So if you want to make your voice louder instead of making the mic input louder, just make the music less volume. Okay, thank you. But probably louder will be better anyway. Game progress, yes. Alright bro, alright. So, okay. What about the price of that? Maybe not too loud, I'll make that. So, what about the price? Local divider 100. Okay, maybe 50. will be better. Okay, 600,000. You didn't have to go it right now. That was a tip for needs trick. Okay, but if that's not a lot, I just made it like so right now. Why not? Congratulations on subs, very close to 1k. I'm happy for you. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much. So okay, let's check worst to best. Yeah, I think that's better, like prices. I wanna check rarity. It's price. Okay. Okay, why? Like this guy in common and common. Love the new menu, by the way. Thank you, bro. I also love that. What the hell? Yo, what's up? Welcome. So, I don't know. Influencing quality. Maybe we don't need to make it so big. Or maybe we should, I don't know. Let's a little bit change that. Quality price. Maybe for quality we don't need to divide that. Quality price, quality. Oh wait, what the hell? Quality is less than 1. Just maybe like so. I miss so much, lol, this sickness got worse. Hope all great for now, bro. Best to worst, worst to best. Let's go check that. So rarity. Like, yes, like that's good. Okay, quality. Let's sort by quality. What is reduce cooldown? So I don't have ability icon or what? Now I'm okay, but last month was hell for me. Good to be back again. Good that you feel better, bro. That's good. So this guy is quality very high, right? Okay, maybe divide twice that anyway. Let's check that. This is stat divider. This is quality. Stat divider. Quality divider. Quality divider 2, for example. Let's check. Price. let's sort by quality. Okay, 30k. So what have changed or what was improved? A quick review will be so much appreciated. I rework the whole game because I now all my games separated by modules by using module scripts and object-oriented programming because I faced with a problem like my script looks like so. So there is really impossible to find something, to change something, to debug that. This is really problem. Instead of that, I have a lot of modules. For example, this sound manager responsible for sounds. That's all script, easy to find, easy to control, easy to do. That's great. So that's it. Hello Profan, hello, welcome bro. Okay. Maybe 25 stat divider, I don't know. Or not. It must have been a lot of free work. Yeah, it starts from the beginning, bro, almost. And the same work we need. This is only lobby I'm making. Inventory almost done. Create system almost done. But shop we need. Matchmaking system that's not so long time, I think. And then we go to the main game and rework all here also, like abilities and so on. Okay, 4 times we decrease that price. Okay, now quality. Maybe like so, guys. Will be better, really. What about this guy? This guy costs a lot, but that's okay. Maybe 75. That's reducer. Yeah, looks like so, really. Quality. Okay, select all guys with abilities and select it. Go to just guys without abilities. Let's see. I'll be here in a couple of minutes, guys. It's okay, also him checking how much money he has. No, we do absolutely wrong. Now I think it shouldn't be like so. How it should be? Let's do that. So, hey, said hi, hello. So, price. All should depends on our where we placed on our this how it called on our this grades. The new UI looks really good. I checked the old UI. This one is definitely better. Thank you, bro. Agree. Just asking what will you do if someone donated you 1 milli? Bro, it's probably never happened, so why we need to talk about that? If it's happened, bro, we talk about that. Wait, but how much will the player have when they join for the first time? 0 or at least 100 money? Probably, bro. Probably. I don't know. I think maybe I'll give the money for the buy 1 crate at the beginning, and also will be some quests, tasks, quests, probably daily quests, which which like not so hard to do, and gives you some coins, something like so, I think. So we need to calculate that. Hopefully no new one is better. Thank you. Wait, can you add me? Where, bro? Where? So no, bro, I'm not adding people, sorry. You can add only in Discord. I'm not playing the Roblox a lot. Very rarely and alone usually. In Roblox, bro, there is no need, really. There is no need. I just work here. Also, bro, you need animation for GUI. It needs to like grow and shrink or change color. Where is animations, bro? You about these animations? Or what? Maybe about these animations? Maybe you talk about the old GUI? I don't understand. If you talk about old GUI, bro, this is old version of the game. This is new one. Like it looks for a lobby, bro. There is an old version. You see the whole stream today, almost. There is a lot of animation I added already. That version you played, I told you guys, this is old version. This is not actual version. This is just you can play tests like if you want, but I don't even suggest a lot of guys for now, because we rework all that. Yo bro, welcome. Hello. Okay, what I'm talking about. What's the problem? Health price. Local health refund equals to health price. Okay, health stat. Health rarity. Get stat price. Let's create price. Stat multipliers. That's rarity. Move speed, rarity price, quality, rarity price. Health price equals this. Also, is the boss faster or slower than Survivor? He definitely will be slower, but he'll have abilities like sprint. Your game in a nutshell is like hide and seek but modified. Yes, bro. All what you played, this is old version. All will be reworked, guys. This is not the final version. So don't think this is like everything I did. Here's a lot of problems, here's a lot of bugs, here's a lot of things, like even a hit system for the monster, abilities doesn't work for mobile for now. I don't like how abilities works. We need like I create sanity check, and by the way, I have idea to make it a crate for the game, so I hope we can solve the problem with ping delay, because before we have a lot of issues with that. I think I found a system how to make the system which like save the previous position and server compare the previous position of the player, and okay, I'll show you. This is hard to explain. When we do that, probably it helps really a lot, and maybe some of you in your games also can do something like so, because that's a lot of problem, not only in Roblox, in a lot of games. Ping, because one guy for example has 200 ping, the second guy has 10 ping, and imagine one guy hit the or use ability, and because the second guy has a lot of has big ping, he just can't hit the player. What the hell? So I hope, guys, we fix that. I hope. I wanna test this amazing build, not gonna lie. Bro, I also wanna test updated version, but this is only lobby is prepared. The problem why it took so long time also because this is absolutely new topic. This is meta tables, OP, direct driven domain design. So there's a lot of wise words which really scare me, and so but it's really very good things in development, for me, at least for me. Can you show maps? Only one map for now. This is Arena City, which you played, and it's procedurally generated. So every time it generates randomly from the templates, like so. So okay, quality multiplier, health, price. We have the health, right? Yes, we have health. And we have health rarity price. Health rarity price. Get price. Create price. Okay, let's calculate all of that. For example, our crate costs 200, multiply by 0.03, so 6. What the hell? So low price. Bro, did you really waste a lot of time for that and not make normal maps that change? What? Didn't get your... What did you say? Okay, 6 for example, and 6 for example we have like 45 HP, like 45. How long did AI map took you to make? What is AI map? What the hell, bro? What are you talking about? I don't understand you. What AI map? I'm not making AI map. I make a script which generates the map every time from templates. Okay, health plus health rarity price, maybe like so. Move speed price. Move speed price. I think it means a map. Procedural map, I think he meant. Yeah, like Minecraft, that is usually very hard. No, not like in Minecraft. You think I created map like Minecraft? Like it generates everything? No, no, this is easier than you think. Okay, move speed. Move speed, rarity price, like so. Move speed price, and the last one will be quality price. Quality price. Quality and quality rarity price. Okay, let's just for example, let's calculate that and see what we have. Quality rarity price. Quality rarity. Quality rarities. Not gonna like generating map like Minecraft is beginner level coding, but the blocks, trees, everything makes it complicated. Yeah, the problem like it should the Minecraft uses seeds system, as you know. This is not easy as you think. Like if I properly understood how it works, they create when they generates the maps in Minecraft. Hi bro, hello. When they generate the map, like every time when you have a map, it, or maybe a part, I don't know how it works, it creates a seed. This is like a D or something like a D, yeah. And like the best seeds they take, and the bad generations, bad seeds they removed, and they probably put them back and generates based on them, something like so. So yeah, like there's a lot of rules you need to know. My generator procedural generator works not like so. This is simple, simpler, much simpler than you think. Like guys who was before 30 day reached, remember how I made that. I tried to make dungeon generation, but dungeon generation doesn't fit. Maybe later, but I found like easier way how to do that. One second. Roblox is down falling because of the situation with what? What's the last word, bro? Okay, let's go. Lep is a guy who was coaching predators on Roblox, and Roblox banned him for that. Predators, this is like about child. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. Like so. Instead of banning predators, they banned a guy trying to save kids. Oh, okay, I've got it. What's that? So now everyone is angry. We actually made a procedural. I don't hear about that, bro. I'm not listen a lot of news about Roblox. But why they banned him? So what he did? Like they have the reason, or what? We actually made a procedural map like Minecraft for a game jam, but it was heavily stripped down. That's cool, bro. That's cool. So you so it was hard to make, or it's just simple blocks, just or you just created trees and caves like in Minecraft? Thus, this thing he did nothing. They simply made a new rule and banned him and everything associated with him. The reason is him trying to protect kids. Probably I heard about this guy a little bit, but not a lot. So I don't know really what he did. Like I heard like someone trying to like report predators or something like so. Hey, how long has it been? Like already or will be? What are you talking about? What? So, quality price, quality plus. Like it was very simple for us because we had to make a platformer game in Minecraft style. Of it took 2 months. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good, bro. Last we met like on day 45, I guess. Maybe, bro. I don't know. Okay, let's health price plus speed price plus quality price. Math war. Okay, so this guy costs like so. Okay, so this guy is more expensive because he has two uncommon. Yes, like so. Let's sort by price. Okay. For fun, you play games like in free time or just stick to making them? Of course, bro, I play a lot of different games, but usually not in Roblox. Like in Steam, I play a lot of games with my friends, like shooters, a lot of games. Like sometimes I can play Minecraft, sometimes I can play Battlefield, Counter-Strike, Stardew Valley, like absolutely different, like all depends on vibe. Repo, Little Company, everything is same and the code is improved, that's it, or like there is never newer stuff apart from the menu. Everything is the same. No, bro, it's absolutely not the same. Like I'll show you how it looked before. I reworked all the GUI and rework all the code here, and that's it. Okay, it's installing, it's long. Also animations, sounds, all of that, so we didn't have before. These ranges we didn't have. Yeah, a lot of new games are coming in Gamecom. I'm super hyped for that. And that's cool, bro, that's cool. Like really, that's I also recommend you as developers play as more game as possible, different games. That's cool because you take some features from different games and maybe you just keep an eye why you like any games, so that's good. So maybe divide by 2, I don't know, or not. Or that's okay, maybe not, maybe that's okay. Like these guys. Okay, I know how to check all of that. Let's select all, cell selected, date, and let's open some crates and we'll see if how it will be. Oh, what? So this is the previous GUI. This is previous inventory. This is almost absolutely different thing. What the hell is that? Let's go to the shop. This is crate shop. There is a still scrolling frame, by the way. So this is how it looked before. I love the fact that you play games. Many devs don't do it, and I personally knew them. They take this as business. Yes, bro. Yeah, I know this problem about the devs sometimes, but I just love what I do. I want to make games also. Of course, this is also business for me. This is definitely all of that, but at the same time, I want to make the games I love play games, and I want to make the games like in a couple of years I return to that, or anytime I join that, and I enjoy that, because it's interesting also for me to play that. So this is my point about all of that. And of course, to make a good game you need to be a player. You need to. So I always ask myself, like, oh, why, bro, I spent 6 hours in these games, in certain game, for example, or maybe why I skip this game very fast, like so. So always I usually ask myself like about others games, and it really helps me. Like, I want to take one feature from, I don't know, I saw in Battlefield. Yeah, it can be probably maybe not about gameplay, or maybe in Battlefield in the shop, or maybe upgrading system I found, and then go in Stardew Valley or something like so, and take some features from here, and it really helps to like, really it allows you to make something unique, because you just combine good mechanics together and features together, and yeah. So because I usually play some games, and I don't feel it completely like I lack some features here, for example. So, and really sometimes I want to just remake this game and add these features inside. So that's why I do all of that, not because of just money. Money will come together, like when you do what you love. This is my point. So just I'm doing because I love that, not because that's business, bro. I was here when you had like 500 subs, so I'm happy to see growth. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much, bro. Yeah, I said apart from the GUI and menu, what changed. Okay, thank you, bro. I mean, they take it as only business and get money wrong. Game dev is a business, but is business of art. Agree, bro, agree. I don't judge anyone, like some of people really earn money on that, and that's okay if they like that. If the people play this game, bro, it means the people like this game, so I don't see any problems with that. But yeah, usually I faced like developers don't listen their players. This is bad because they don't play this game, their game, and they don't listen the players. And of course this is a problem if this is like so. Hey man, I'm working on a game, I'm stuck. I need to link a placement system with pathfinding. Is cooking game, got any ideas? So you can place tables, and there's AIs will find ways to get there. AIs will find ways to get there. And what's asking about that? Like, you wanna ask like I tell you the whole code about that? This is impossible, bro. This is impossible. Or maybe you have certain problem. Also, all of this is learning, and you can implement it on your other games. Of course, bro, of course. This is what I like about game development. So you can play the games, but this is anyway your work. You just practice and see new features in the games. So this is cool about this. So you don't just waste time in games. You get more experience in these games. So that's great. I just combine what I love. So like an idea, so but you tell like the idea, but you tell like you stuck link placement system. Didn't get, bro. What do you mean? Use pathfinding tutorials. I don't know what's bro talking about. Looks like yeah, but he tell like idea. What? Okay. Okay. So what about price? Let's think about this. Maybe price divide by 2. Maybe. Like half price. Okay, let's open some new crates. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's open more crates. I think he needs AI with like pathfinding and like interacting. I don't know, he was super not specific about it. Probably. There's a bro AI service or like pathfinding service built in Roblox. You can do it not so hard, I think. So just you need to find some tutorials. Okay, maybe we need to increase multipliers, I don't know. Oh wait, epic also. Yeah, maybe like so. And maybe this a little bit also. Or not. A bit too. Let's try. You touched the codes of base game like the gameplay and things like that? Not yet, bro. Not yet. Maybe like so. So if we get green, we can buy some crates. Like so, and these all super cheap. maybe even less. Maybe like so. Orange is most rare, right? No, red most rare now. This is about survivors. About abilities, yeah, orange. Survivors, this is like, this is secret. Before it was superior, now it's secret. So 10,000, nice. For this is equals to 10,000, this is equals to 50 crates. Yeah, I think this is fair, right? Price. This epic before equals to 20 crates, 21 even. This equals to 3 crates. These guys equals to like less than 1. And these guys cheapest one. Epics are still not worse. Not worth, probably you. The feature of all of that, why I do like so, because I want to create trading and I want to create trading and also community market. So you can sell, for example, this guy for 10,500, right, in the game back, and just sell it for this price. But this is, for example, you think, oh, 90 HP, what the hell, secret, that's a lot. By the what the hell, this is highest health ninja can get, by the way. This is absolutely lucky, for real. But you can place it on community market, for example, for 5,000, 500,000 coins. So other people can buy that, for example, or you can trade up that. Yo, is your game for testing now? Yes, but there is an old version that doesn't look like so. This is definitely old version here, and you need minimum 2 players to play that. So this is like base price of this item. Like when you trade that so this price will be shown like fair price, minimum fair price, like 10,560. So this is, I think I'll make that to not allow the player trick you. For example, oh bro, I can change this thing for this thing which costs 56. So really, like fair price will calculate, I think, and just show. This is not like, this is like advice for people when they trading. Oh, this is a high quality. What the hell? What's the name? I wanna test it by chance. You you need minimum 2 players here to test. And yeah, can describe how much this game looks better than older version. Thank you bro, thank you very much. I also like that, how it's all like. Okay, let's make some survivors with I want to check what the price with abilities. Oh yeah, we don't calculate with abilities all of that. Probably we need to make like so, right? I think yes. Here. Price reducer equals 2. Okay. Ability price equals to 1. Oh, wait. Wait, so this we combine together, divide by this. Like so, maybe. It looks like so. Okay, let's create some survivors with abilities. Or abilities. Let's create with one ability. Let's return everything back. Let's check the price of that. Price. Okay, great. By the way, this guy have high quality also. Okay, let's sort by ability only. Price. Ability price. Need to increase the prices for that. I'm trying to make my friend to play it with me so I can test this out. Okay, bro, but first, for mobile abilities doesn't work, and this game doesn't look like this one on your screen. 1 million. What the hell is that? So this guy more than 1 million costs. Worst. Okay, ability I wanna check. Oh yeah, that's it. Ability gives really a big boost. Dash level 3. Great. So okay, I think select all. No, the select all. Rarity just. Yeah, that's it, I think. Like even common will cost a lot with ability. That should be like so, because ability to get ability, this is very rare. Right, so this guy really expensive. Probably we don't get that. Okay, I think this is fair price, I think. Like these calculations we did with abilities. And so let's check, maybe I forget something. Like couple of abilities we show. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so guys, for today that's all. I think great work we did today, and we'll continue tomorrow, my boys. So thank you all who watched, thank you all who been here, and see you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.